Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 5.1 magnitude felt in East China Sea, Japan. Depth of this earthquake is 76.5 km and this earthquake felt on Friday, March 25, 2022. Local time is 12:08 p.m. Nearby towns and cities 66 km north and east of Ishigaki, 76 km west of Hirara. Weather at epicenter at time of quake, overcast cloud, 23.1 degrees centigrade, 37 Fahrenheit, humidity is 83% and wind is 9 meters per second from southeast. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy from this quake is 783 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 674 tons. If you are in Japan and you felt this quake, make sure to comment. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.